ASUS VivoBook 16X battery replacement. Remove all the screws of base enclosure. With the help of a plastic pry tool opener, unlock the locks and remove the base panel. Securely unlock the lock and disconnect the battery from motherboard connector. Remove the screws of battery. You can see the model of the battery. Replacing the new genuine battery from ASUS. Refix all the screws of battery. Securely connect the battery cable to motherboard and lock. Close the base panel. Refix all the screws of base panel. Once you have installed the new battery, need a power to turn on. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. Laptop Doctor.